Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle motor wheel in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle motor wheel to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is MX Ebike Conversion Kit. Specifications: brand name, Little TT. Motor type, brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Origin, mainland China. Number 4 is SUTTO Hub Motor. Specifications: brand name, Varstrom. Position, rear wheel. Rated power, 250 watts. Rated voltage, 36 volts. Max speed, about 25 to 32 km/h. Max torque, 35 N. Old, 138 mm. Installation, 135 to 142 mm rear dropout size. Noise grade, 55 dB. Waterproof grade, IPX5. Efficiency, 80%. Operation temperature, -20 degrees C, 45 degrees C. As the item number 3 we've selected is SUTTO Ebike Conversion Kit. Specifications: brand name is SUTTO. Rated voltage, 52 volts to 72 volts. Rated power, 2000 watts to 3000 watts. Rated speed, 60 to 75 km/h. Open size, 140 mm to 135 mm. Max torque, 81 N. N to 120 N. Max RPM, 600 revolutions per minute to 640 revolutions per minute. Noise grade, 55 dB. Construction, gearless. Brake type, disc brake. Hall sensor, single. Efficiency, 80%. Weight, about 7.5 kilograms to 9.5 kilograms. Number 2 is CSC DIY 1500W rear wheel. Specifications: brand name, CSC. Wattage, 400 watts. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless non-gear hub motor. Wheel size, 20 inch, 26, 27.5, 29. Brake type, V-brake, disc brake. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Bafang 500W front rear hub motor. Specifications: brand name, Bafang. Bafang model, G020. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Origin, mainland China. Motor, brushless gear hub motor.